Yeah, man, I heard the niggas been talking real bad about me, man. Real. Niggas ain't gon' kill me, you gon' kill me.
Nigga gon' kill me before they feel me. One time they gon' feel me. Two more.
It's a beautiful world. Damn, man, I just took a shit outside for once, bro. Yes, sir. Hey, bro, what you...
Oh, what happened? Okay, oh.
Bro, what the fuck are you doing? You think you Bruce Lee?
Karate Kid
No,
looking
I ain't
at.
gonna lie to
You would
you.
have shattered your bones. You wouldn't have no phalanges.
Bro, I'm better than Bruce Lee. Stop playing with me.
Bro,
But anyway.
Bruce Lee will fall the fuck out you, bro.
Anyway, bro, I don't give a fuck, bro.
You
Listen,
will crack
bro.
your shit with
Listen,
1 inch.
bro, that's a very vindictive way to talk about me. You feel me? Just cause
What?
Nigga dictionary.
you come around with that vindictiveness in your heart and you really think you a better nigga than me.
Bro,
I understand.
I don't like that you saying that dick word too much.
I said vindictive, nigga.
I
even know what
still don't
vindictive
like
is.
hearing that shit in your tone.
I don't give a
That shit
fuck.
still
I'm just saying,
kinda zesty, bro.
cause I'm elevating in life. You feel me? So I gotta start using better words like vindictive. You a very vindictive ass nigga. I don't know.
Bro,
why
I
you
don't
come
like that you
around,
saying that, bro.
Nah, I'm just telling you how it is. I don't respect vindictive niggas like you, cause
What
you,
even is
cause
that,
you,
bro?
you get vindictive and think you better than a nigga for real. On God, like I don't know what the fuck be going on with niggas, bro. Like you be on that vindictive shit, bro. Ain't nobody got time for that, bro.
Bro, it's not about that, fam. I'm just saying, why you gotta keep saying that same word, bro? That's
Cause
not even a word.
vindictive is slang. It's the
Cause that's not a
term.
word, bro.
That's a word, bro. You
No,
get
you're not.
vindictive and shit, bro. Ain't nobody got time, bro. You don't know what vindictive mean, bro.
No.
You know how to spell it.
It's not real.
VIDICK, nigga. Vindictive, nigga.
Nigga, you spelled that shit wrong.
Bro, you spelt that shit wrong.
I don't
as
give a fuck, bro.
bro.
My word, bro.
It's
I
not
made
the same.
it up.
So
I
it's
made
not
it up.
real. That
I
shit
made
don't
it
make
up.
no sense. Stop
I made
saying
it up. I made it up though. Vindictive, nigga. Mean you don't know where
So
you
you
want.
making up shit.
No,
You all,
I basically just called you.
Imagination,
I
bro.
basically just called you a trans. You don't know if you want vagina or dick. That's all that means.
I knew you were saying
You
some
very
shit about some
vindictive.
dick. You're weird.
You're
You're
very
a
vindictive,
cornball,
bro. You're very vindictive, bro.
You living up a
understand,
made-up
bro.
fantasy. You came
I
up with
don't make-
words,
I
so you
don't make
living in
no
this
fantasy,
imagination,
bro.
this
I make up
imaginative world.
I make up
where
words
you
and
think that
financial
shit is
literacy.
hard, and it's not.
What you mean?
You living in a fake reality.
I'm not. I'm
That
living
shit
in
is
the
not a word. That
I'm
shit
living
is
in my
not gonna
word,
fly, bro. You
bro.
gotta-
I'm finna email
It's
all
not
them
your
niggas,
world.
all them niggas that
The G
own them
world.
dictionaries and shit. I'm finna email them niggas and I'm finna get my word vindictive enough. Cause y'all niggas be on
Bro, them niggas not gonna put you in no dictionary.
y'all
bro.
niggas be
You
on
a
that vindictive
dumbass.
shit, bro. Y'all be on
But
that
you
vindictive
stupid.
shit.
They
Oh,
won't
God.
put that shit
Y'all
in
really don't
there.
need to be on no V. Y'all be on dick. That's all y'all be on. But y'all, I call y'all niggas vindictive. Y'all my little
Bro,
vindictive
you
niggas.
keep
I know
saying
about
that
y'all.
shit. I'm starting to think you like it, bro. You keep on. Why would
Hey,
you
bro,
add that word in
hey,
there?
bro, don't
You could've
disrespect
made
me, bro.
that
I like vagina, bro. That's the only V that come out my mouth. I don't know about
Vagina.
no vindictive. Vagina, yes. Y'all, pussy.
You would never
Cat.
get nothing like that, bro.
I got a lot
you
of
keep talking about the other sex.
Ask your little sister.
My what?
Oh, my
Bro,
fault.
my little sister 12, bro.
Your little sister is not 12.
My little sister is 12,
She's
bro.
not 12. But it be more than that, open that 12.
But what? Hey, bro, stop being disrespectful.
Hey, bro, stop walking on me, bro. You putting that
You a
vindictive energy in my face, bro. I ain't trying to keep
See,
telling you about the
you're
vindictive.
a cornball. You're corny.
Hey, bro, you just taught me, bro.
Yes.
Bro, you just a little
Cause
boy
you
me,
bitch
bro.
made.
You just a little boy me,
You
bro.
is a little boy.
You just a little boy me, bro.
You're a little kid, bro. Go on back
Hey,
up,
bro, stop. Hey, bro,
You
stop
like
that
I'm gonna sit you
vindictive
down,
shit,
bro.
On God, bro. Tell me one more time so vindictive that I'm gonna slap the shit out
Bro,
you,
see,
homie.
I can't.
On
I don't want
God.
to touch you now that you talking about all
Vindictive
that.
that.
The grass is always green on the other side, boy. Tell you, man. Hey, bro.
What's up with you, man? I'm trying to form my own bat suit. What's going on?
You said what, bro?
I'm
You trying to find your own bat suit?
Yeah, what's up?
But that's ironic because your ass is a joker. You
I
was
already know.
you a bitch, bro. You
I
a
already know.
bluff.
I be laughing bitches out there paying $100.
But what?
What
I ain't
you
gonna
came
lie,
over
bro.
for,
Fuck
though?
all that shit, bro.
Huh?
You saw that text. I ain't gonna lie. I need another 20,000, and then I need you to send me another 30,000 on top of that. Just because I know, like, shit, when it come around to the other shit I owe you, I'm gonna pay you that back. But I'm just saying, the trap hungry right now. I need like 50,000.
I'm gonna be the banker, fuck nigga written across my face or something. Like, what the fuck you mean? The bank? I'm gonna be Bank of America, fuck nigga written across my face. You can't pay me.
Must be.
Nigga, you still owe me the shit for 10 years ago.
10 years ago, I'm saying, bro.
I'm still waiting for my $5 back.
I've been trying to accumulate all these funds so we can get right.
Bro, I paid for a 4x4 when we was 17, bro. We 27. I still ain't got my money, bro.
What you mean, your
You ain't a mustard. You ain't no
We
mustard. A
ate that.
4x4, at least 440.
We ate that, bro.
Yeah, you ate that and Wendy's ate my cheese. I can't get that back. I need that.
Fam, I'm just saying, bro. Fuck all the other shit, bro. That old shit. Why you talking about old shit in the new year, bro? We in the
Because,
moment.
bro,
This is the
I still
present.
ain't got my new money in the new year. Because it's still old to me. It's still new to me because I ain't got it. I ain't received it yet. It's
Bro.
like the income tax.
It's a new year, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That shit was 10 years ago, bro. Every time a new year go by, bro, you should forget about that shit. That's old news, bro. I'm saying.
You want to know something? I ain't going to lie to you right.
Just let me hold that bitch
Why?
right now. I'm gonna give it back to you, bro.
You want to know one thing that's still in common for 10 years ago?
What?
Trump was president, bitch.
Hey, it's a good day to go rob my baby mama. Hey, bro. What the fuck are you doing?
What's up, man? Shit,
What you doing, nigga?
You see me shining? Dope boy like
what?
T.I. in 2002.
The fuck? What are you talking about? We ain't come over here to talk about Tip.
I'm just saying. Oh shit,
I think I done putting Tip on my girl. Though. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, so you mean never mind.
Nigga, hey, stop playing with me, bro. If I smack the head off your head.
Hey, bro, this ain't on ATL, bro. You might die doing
Shut
that.
up, bitch.
Hey, bro, don't play with me.
Don't play about none of that shit.
Bro, I'm just saying,
That's my
though,
bitch. I'm telling you like wrong.
I could've sworn you asked me, you came over here to ask me some shit.
About,
Then you come over here to ask me some shit. Then you
You
come over here to ask me something.
Don't play about her.
Well, I'm just gonna tell you how it is, bro. She ain't even gotta ask me the question. Yeah, bro, I'm fucking your hoe. I already know that what you came over here for. I'm fucking your hoe. You probably ain't wanna know about it, but yeah, I'm fucking your hoe. I'm putting dick on her. I'm putting Kevin Gates dick on her.
Oh God, I'm
Pressure.
I don't give a fuck. I've been killing her. I've been praying to God before I kill her ass too. Been slaying ass. God bless this child. I'm finna slay dope dick on her. Yeah.
Oh God, I'm about to kill the fuck out you, bro.
You put your hands
put
on
your
me,
hands
bro?
on my girl, bro. You know I'm telling about that shit, bro. You already know, bro. When I was in prison, nigga touched me.
I ain't gonna lie. She tell me when that dick go in and out of too. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh.
Yes, sir, man. Just ain't never playing around with that shit, man. Throw these for my dice at, man. Supposed to be going around the block, throwing a few chairs. Fuck.
What's up with your boy? Shit, I
Fuck
can't
is you?
interview you, boy. Shit, I'm
Interview what?
Shit, I'm the hottest.
Bro, you just walked up on my house, bro.
I feel you, but I'm the hottest new news reporter, bro. I be in the hood. I be running up. I just run up in niggas shit.
You don't dress hot.
Huh?
You don't dress hot. You just bummy.
You feel me? I
You
don't
can't-
have to
you
dress
can't
hot.
have
The
too much
interview
money.
will be hot. But I gotta ask you a question though. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I heard about that little lick that got hit on the west side of the week, bro. I just wanna know who's involved in it. I heard that you and two.
Oh,
other
Lil
niggas
TT.
went up there and lived.
You don't even gotta finish that. I already know who you talking about. Lil TT did that shit.
Oh, God.
And John, you know the boy around the street, nigga that had his mama be making the ham
Yeah,
and shit,
but
fed
see-
the whole
see-
block. Yeah, they did that shit. They set that shit up.
Lil John just, you know, his vital signs just went off. So you feel me? Both of them dead. So you know they finna come talk to you. So I just really want to.
Oh shit, well they did it. They got the culprits. I don't need to talk to me. I'm saying you can go talk to Lil Leon around the street though. He knows something about it.
You on some 21 Savage shit? You
If I go on the move with my man and my man don't make it, boy, everything in his car, everything we just did, he did it.
You still told on a dead nigga.
And I don't give a fuck.
Me neither, but I'm just saying, I probably do the same shit.
I'm
but
a rat.
saying,
Alright then.
but you still
Alright
told
then.
on a dead nigga.
You putting bodies on dead niggas?
What?
You on 21 Savage?
Nigga, if you
T.I.
dead,
Savage?
nigga, if you dead, it don't matter. It don't matter. If you dead, I can snitch on you. It don't matter. I'm not a rat.
They respect you in the hood?
What? Yes. I'm OG around that bitch. They know how I get. Look, bro, don't bring no shit in my hood and don't think I'm telling you, bro. That's how this shit is. I'm OG around that bitch for a reason. I tell the truth. Y'all niggas think telling the truth is ran.
Yeah,
the nigga
bro.
did it. Now
That's
they dead.
rad, bro.
Put on the T.
That's
Walk
rad,
down.
bro. But you went on the crime with them. Take your time, bro.
don't
Take
give
your
a
time.
fuck.
You know real nigga.
Look, you want to know what I'm is, and they not
What?
alive.
Punching the rat don't make us cool.
Damn, but I just took a giga shit, bro. I actually lost weight from that one. Woo, it's a beautiful day outside. Some more money to be made.
Oh shit! Finally, somebody smart walked on the block.
What the fuck?
Hey, bro, nah, bro, I ain't
Bro,
gonna
you
lie.
just ambushed
Nah,
me, bro.
bro,
You
that
just
little
took me,
pussy ass nigga Pee trying to play me, bro. On my mama. He trying to make fun of the fact I ain't passed second grade, and me and the nigga got into an argument. I'm telling him 2 times 2 equal 8, and he trying to argue me down on the block, right? Like I'm wrong though. He trying to argue me down on the block like I'm wrong. 2 times 2 don't equal 8. Like it's no tripping game.
No, bro.
What it equal? What's 2 times 2 then? What's 2 times 2? I put 100 on my baby. 2 times 2 is 8, nigga. I put 100 on my baby, nigga.
2 times 2.
Y'all nigga.
Seconds, I'm getting some money, man. Put your in my food mouth.
It's 4, bro. I think
How?
it's 4.
How?
What you mean?
How?
Mathematics.
How, bro? When you multiply something, it's gotta be 4 times the number, bro. Multiply mean you multiplying it by 4 every time. That don't mean just cause it's 2 times 2 don't mean it ain't 2 times 4, nigga. Fuck you mean? That's 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equal 8, nigga. He trying to argue me on the block, bro. I really want to put hands on that man. He made me feel bad, bro. Then Lil Jessica, everybody laughing at me. You know, little thick ass, this I'm trying to fucking shit. She all in my face. So you telling me you telling me 2 times 2 is 4, bro.
Yes, bro. You stupid as fuck.
You
Why-
wrong,
Why you
bro.
screaming, bro?
You wrong, bro.
Screaming don't make you
Because
right.
nigga, I gotta get my point across, bro. I don't give a fuck, bro. You gotta hear me, bro. I know I'm right.
No,
I
you're
know
not.
I'm right.
Just because you're raising your tone and you raising the volume of your voice.
I don't give a
mean
fuck,
that
bro.
you
I don't
correct.
give a fuck, bro. I'll be eating it, nigga. I'm intelligent, nigga, cause I yell, nigga.
No, you're
And
ignorant.
y'all nigga gonna hear every syllable that come out my mouth, nigga.
You're
You gonna hear
ignorant.
every syllable that come out my mouth, nigga. Every syllable. You ain't gonna have to question
No,
shit.
I'm getting every spit molecule in your
I don't
mouth.
give a fuck. Y'all, you get every piece of my DNA, fuck, nigga.
don't
Fuck
want
wrong
your
with you.
DNA.
2 times
Your
2
DNA
is
stupid.
8, nigga. I don't give a fuck what the nigga say on my
2
mama.
times 2
And
is
5
8.
times 5 is 10, nigga. Fuck wrong with y'all.
That mean your ass might have brain damage.
5 times 5 is 10, nigga. So, I'm on my brain when I
You being dropped
at
at
scrap, bro.
your mama.
We gonna have to
drop-
scrap
your
behind
mama
this shit. I ain't gonna lie to
dropping
you.
you as a kid equals brain.
Hey, bro, don't say
damage.
shit about my mom, bro. My mom ain't never dropped me in no kid pee-wee, nigga. You probably didn't get breastfed as a kid, nigga. That's why your ass slow as fuck now.
Breastfed.
That's why you can't
But
yell,
that
nigga. You
because
ain't get breastfed as a kid, nigga.
No,
I
I'm
know
not
what
yelling
happened.
because I'm calm.
That's why you love titty now.
I'm calm
Cause you
and
couldn't touch them
collected.
when you were younger.
I'm calm and
Fuck wrong
collected.
with you,
You
boy?
mad? Your
Pussy
stupid
ass
ass
nigga,
on,
boy.
man. Go
Nigga
get
be
your dumb
wrong.
ass on. He was right to criticize
Nigga be,
your ass.
nigga be talking low and fucking be wrong and fuck, bro.
I mean, so your
Nigga be talking
intelligence,
low and
bro. You
fucking
stupid
wrong
as
and
hell,
fuck.
but don't get out the block.
Y'all
bro.
nigga be talking low as hell and be wrong and fuck.
Get out
That's
the
why y'all
block.
want to speak up cause y'all wrong, bro.
Go get out the block and go back to school, bro. Go back, go get that
Hey, nigga, I
PhD.
already graduated. They paid me, nigga. I
No, you
failed 8
failed.
times in a row and they had to kick me out the building, nigga. I passed.
failed.
Nigga. Fuck
You
wrong
failed,
with you?
nigga.
Why ain't no failed the shit? What?
The only way
How I
nigga-
failed?
The only reason that
How
you
I
failed
failed?
because nigga gave
How
up
I
his spot
failed?
for you.
I work at McDonald's. I make
You
$800 a
so
week and I spend
stupid,
$100 on clothes every week, nigga. Stop playing with me, bro.
Go on, get up out the block, bro.
Clothes every week, nigga. Everything
Go back to a school, man. Go get some intelligence,
Hey, bro,
bro.
say one more word to you, I'm gonna slap the fuck out you, bro. Cause you wrong,
But you need to go
Two times
home,
two
bro.
is
You
eight,
just
bro.
yelling.
Alright, bro.
You raised no for no reason. About
Alright,
scared of
bro.
your bitch ass, bro.
Nah, bro.
You
I ain't
just
gonna lie to you, bro. I feel
screaming.
like you trying me, bro. I really finna lose my shit.
Man, get back, bro. Get back if I slap the shot at your ass, bro. See,
You gonna hit my shit like that?
I'm all right, yeah.
You gonna hit my
nigga.
shit like that?
Nah, nigga.
You gonna hit my shit?
Damn, man. My dog just got shot. I think that's a sign to go get my baby mama pregnant, bro.
Oh,
Hey,
shit,
bro.
what happened? Oh, what happened, going?
What's up with you, gang? What you doing all day? They whoop the whoop dancing over
I was doing a
this
little TikTok dance with my Glock and shit. What's up with you?
TikTok dancing.
Yeah, you feel me?
Talk to it.
Yeah, my little young bitch got me onto it and shit. You know, I'm just trying it out.
See, I ain't gonna lie. I think that's a sign that you should kill her, bro. I think that's a sign you should kill her.
Kill the
Strength-
pussy, yeah. I kill the cat.
No, kill
I ain't got
her.
no problem killing Garfield. I promise you, I slaugh that 2 times a day.
But that's a sign to take her fucking life, bro. Cause you doing TikTok.
I take a
with
life all the time with my hand around the throat. You know, just like the Rod Wave song. You know, I'm controlling it. Just the way.
No. Okay, I'm trying to tell you, this is how I go. When God send you a sign, that means you should partake in the ritual.
Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Shit, I don't know what type of heritage shit you got going on, but that type of shit ain't allowed around here.
See,
you know, I believe
God-
in religion, you feel me? Real God, get on my knees and pray to him, make sure he good, you feel me?
I ain't gonna lie. Since you said that, I think that's a sign that I should go commit genocide. I think that's a sign that I should go start, getting into this shit. I don't be trying to be all that type of way, but I be trying to make sure that when I see a sign from the God and that I see a sign from the heavens, I want to make sure I go exercise.
You
that.
sure it's not just your sick brain giving you make-believe signs? And
You just
wanna
did
go do
quotations.
crazy
That
shit?
you just did 2 fingers. That means I need to go
When I
get
say
2 Drakes
make-believe
and 2
sign-
Ks and go absolutely kill anybody that I see.
How about put
starting
that-
with my family?
So I'm just saying, if you're gonna put that pistol on somebody, put it on yourself first. I'm just saying, God say do for yourself what you want done to others. You feel what I'm saying? So, you put that pistol on yourself first, then maybe you'll learn your something. You feel me?
Man, that's a sign though. See, that you hear that dog over there? I think that's a sign that I should go hawk niggas down like a dog. And I should go kill all these bitches, all these people, all these niggas like a dog.
Hey, bro, you coming too close, bro.
I'm saying, I think that's a sign too.
You coming too close, bro.
That's a sign that I'm coming too close.
That is a sign.
That I'm coming too close
bro.
to the fake shit, and
I'ma
I need to
up
get
my
away
five,
from
bro.
it. That's a sign.
I'm gonna up my 5, bro.
See, that's a sign. I need to go get my
Weak
sign
ass
too,
nigga
bro.
drop the
Oh,
clip
shit.
past
Oh,
the ball.
See, that's a sign too. That's a sign, bro. That's a sign to go put a diaper on and start twerking over clips.
Nigga, head game, fight, no, I live for no reason. People out the blind, he don't know that we sink it. Tapping the chop all night, no blinking.
Hey man, say man, probably a pet man, y'all.